I've got some chachalacas out in my tree. And they're a very interesting bird. They're a Mexican tree pheasant. They actually fly, but they have this horrible screech that would wake the dead. I mean, they're unbelievable. But this is their home. Evidently, this is pedestrian walkway. And I get other species coming over. I'm filming through a window. You can see the screen. See these little guys down here with a yellow bill. He comes over and sits on the bars, the wrought iron, and taps the window because he sees his reflection. So I'm in the middle of a bird airport here. It's very interesting. This is Mark Hennessy, Bays of Huatulco, Oaxaca. Santa Cruz Bay on the 16th latitude north in the country of Mexico, state of Oaxaca.